I've been getting this question a lot lately. Can I work full-time or part-time and still start a business teaching manners to children? Of course you can. Actually, I got my start that way. I was working for Club Corp in Dallas, Texas, and I would teach manners on the weekends and then sometimes in the evenings just to kind of get my feet wet. And the great thing about Manners to Go, it really is as if you're receiving a business in a box. It's comprehensive. Everything is there for you. Everything from the marketing, the proposals, how to write one, what to charge, and of course, an extensive curriculum from pre-K to high school. I encourage you to set up a discovery call with us. I'm happy to give you more details and also share some of the stories of my licensees as well. In fact, I'm training a licensee right now, and she is working full-time as a nanny and getting started on her manners business. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for joining our manners movement.